In every classroom you look, you can find a blackboard, what materials are inside of one, and where are those materials found. The non-renewable materials inside a blackboard are steel for the surface, silica, feldspar, lead, and borax for the black paint coating, and aluminum for the frame and rail that holds the chalk and eraser. Silica or silicon dioxide is found as quartz grains, sandstone, quartzite, vein quartz, or pegmatitic quartz. You can easily find silica yourself. Sand in the park or the beach is a form of silica. Silica is mined in many provinces in Canada, including Quebec, Ontario, Alberta, Saskatchewan, British Columbia, Nova Scotia, and Newfoundland and Labrador. Canada produces over 2 million tons of silica every year. To get silica out of the ground, workers use open-pit mining to extract the mineral. Dredge mining is used to dig out the silica that is found underwater. Silica is also used to make pottery, cosmetics, paint, concrete, abrasives, filter aids, and anything that contains glass. If we didn't have silica, we wouldn't have any of these items. Our lives would be pretty plain without windows for our rooms and vases to decorate our homes. More than half of the population would suffer without their glasses, and nobody would be able to admire their reflection in mirrors. Although silica is the most plentiful mineral in the Earth's crust, we still need to use our non-renewable resources sustainably to make them last long for the generations after us.